How to delete Uber Eats account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can delete your Uber Eats account, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to basically delete your Uber Eats account, remember that your Uber Eats account is your main Uber account itself, so which also applies to Uber Ride as well as Uber Eats. So you deleting your Uber Eats account will also delete your Uber Ride and a normal Uber account. Now, in order to do this, all you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Uber Eats application and make sure that you're signed into your account. Then tap the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, if you look over here, you would be able to find the option known as privacy, so make sure to tap on privacy option. After you tap on privacy option, if you scroll down over here under account security, you'll find the option called account deletion. So tap the account deletion tab that you can find here. Now you will be asked to basically enter your phone number or email. After you enter that, tap on continue and it will ask you for a confirmation. After that, your Uber account or your Uber Eats account will get successfully deleted. This way you can basically delete your Uber Eats account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.